How to use Tradingview. For Robinhood. As of now, Robinhood does not support direct integration with Tradingview, meaning you cannot execute trades on Robinhood directly from Tradingview's platform. However, you can still utilize Tradingview's robust charting tools to inform your trading decisions on Robinhood. Here's how. Access the Tradingview, navigate to Tradingview and log in or create a free account. Then set up your charts by using the search bar to find the stock or asset you're interested in. Then open its chart and customize it with indicators, drawing tools, and preferred timeframes. Next is to analyze and plan, to utilize Tradingview's analytical tools to identify potential entry and exit points. Set up alerts for specific price movements or technical indicator triggers. And lastly is to execute trades on Robinhood. Once you've made a decision based on your analysis, manually execute the trade on your Robinhood account. And that was it. I hope this helps you out, but that was it. See you again in the next video.